Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today let us unbox this chain cleaner kit. This is from the Kangaroo company. So here we have three units. One is chain cleaner, another is chain lubrication, and another is a cleaner brush. You can get this set for around 600 rupees in any online store. Chain cleaning is very essential for every 1000 to 1500 kilometer, and chain lubrication is also essential for every 500 kilometers to maintain the chain quality, or else the sprocket will wear out very soon. So first we have to spray this cleaner liquid solution on this chain. We have to spray it thoroughly. All the grease and dirt will be removed after 5 minutes of spraying this solution. In the rainy season, how much ever we wash the bike, for every round it becomes dirty. At least the chain has to be kept clean. You can spray this solution by manually rotating the wheel, or else if you are using the first gear, you have to be very careful while doing this. Once the solution is left for 5 minutes after spraying, the chain has to be cleaned using this brush in all the directions. Nowadays, most of the bikes are coming with this open chain system for enhancing the looks of the bike. But as a downside, it will attract lot of dust and mud. And after using the brush, all the dirt and grease can be removed using the cloth. And guys, finally after cleaning we can use this chain lubrication, and we have to spray it thoroughly in all the directions. Maintaining this will reduce the chain noise and increase the sprocket life. And that's it for now guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment for more automobile related videos. Thank you.